Hi everyone, welcome back to Makewell, Miss Markwell, or hello if you're new to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a lovely little recipe. It's fruity scones. I have actually done a cheesy scone recipe on my YouTube channel, but a lot of my students have asked me to make a fruity scone recipe, so this is for you. I hope you like it. Let's do it, let's get cooking. Thanks for watching Makewell, Miss Markwell. Okay, I can do this. You make me laugh. You're making me laugh. Thanks for watching Makewell, Miss Markwell. I hope you enjoyed the fruity scone recipe. I'm now going to assemble this with some clotted cream and some jam, and I'm going to eat it as well. It's going to be so delicious. But thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share my videos and channels to everyone you know, and make me really popular and make me a star. Take care for now. Bye.